In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to manipulate a shoulder dart into a princess dart. My dart here is 2 inches wideness, meaning the underbust dart is 2 inches and the shoulder dart also is 2 inches. The 2-inch dart varies. It depends on how big the bust of your client is. The reason why we add that to our dress is to create a space, a room for the breast. So if I should sew the shoulder dart, you see that the bust will shoot out. Imagine if I should do the same thing for the under bust dart, it will shoot out more. So that is the reason why we add that to our dress, to create a space, to create room for the breast. So yeah, I'm going to move the shoulder dart to the armhole. You can actually move your dart to anywhere on the bodice, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be moving it from the shoulder to the armhole. And first thing to do is to locate where you want it to be. So I'm going to measure the armhole round to get the midpoint of the armhole. I want it to be at the middle of the armhole, so I'm going to measure the armhole round. And measuring my armhole round, I have 9 inches. So the midpoint should be 4.5, which I'm going to mark 4.5 there. 4.5 is the mid of the armhole, so I mark that, and I'm going to connect from the mid of the armhole to the bust point straight. So I'm just going to connect it straight. After connecting, I'm going to cut the new mark line, that is from the armhole to the nipple point. I'm going to stop at the nipple point. Once I'm done cutting, I'm going to close the shoulder dart, and the armhole dart is going to be automatically created. The armhole dart will open once I close the shoulder dart. And after doing that, we want to blend the nipple point of the side front. As you can see, the nipple point here is a bit pointy, which we don't want, so I want to blend it in order for it not to be pointy. Here is somehow pointy sharpy, so we don't want that to happen. We are going to blend it. There are several ways you can cut your princess dart, but using the dart manipulation method will let your side front to be equal to the center front. That is, in some method, after cutting, while sewing, the side in front might be shorter to the center front, might even reach this side of the center front. But using this method, both the center front and the side front are going to be equal to themselves while sewing. So remember, you can move your dart from any side to any side of the bodice. You can move your under bust side to the middle of the center front. You can move your shoulder dart to the neck. In fact, I have a video of how to move your shoulder dart to the neck. You can move the shoulder dart to the armhole, and it will serve the same purpose. Just see, if I should close the armhole dart, the bust point will shoot out, serving the same purpose as the shoulder dart, serving the same purpose. So thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so, and if you have done that already, please like, comment and share this video. Thank you.